Kadon Bosco College Byndihati East Jaintia Hills District kalapenlong ya kajingele kai drama theatrical show Shaphang Khynnah lengkot ka Sohlyngngem hak arpu khandai terek nailur arhajar arpusan ha college auditorium lapen sngan lang hakani kasngi da baro ki plasha khot sngoba uba krmenshla MLE ka cleariat constituency East Jaintia Hills ulalong kumukongsan bat kokong Jacqueline Kharpuri kalalong kesumbut kongsan Ledon lang ru nadu uba shngan lang Marwen Research Officer Planning Department Cleariat East Jaintia Hills badu Vice Provincial u Father Jivan Lakra kum unong shakhot ngoba. Kiwe ki school ki badan hakaleng ki jakaru ki lawan banishim benta rengkat berkirang bashnong jong ki than ba pher. Uba shla ulaya ro ekasin jam balashim kani ka shlam. Ulakran ru Shaphang kajingdan kam ban penne pensa eka kolshor daka baong bakani kamdei tang kajing pen bernya yakinong petkai. Hendrai kadai ka wei na kilat ban pene pensa ban kentiu ya ka kolshor tenrai hadu ki pateng ki bandang wan.
Tiga ini ya. Kabiar ni ya. Kali agak kami tu ya kita shift kita wes. Tapi ikut tak boleh. Kenapa?
Shillong NEHU Biej la presidente Pyniap Nashwan Khuborjylla Shaphang Netme kunne kum kalalagi Shillong hakarnya berbeda
Netme namtang susi denare lembang jamur dalam susi Pyniap masalah itu kalau satu besar beda.
Oh, kacang apa ini? Pyniap. Aku nggak pernah beli. Tiga besar orang. Aku masuk. Punya jar. Kagam lima. Biasanya di Biej. Dengan senang zombie adalah mensupport keren. Oh, komputer saya. Kiki mau nak keren tak? Kiki
Ini
yang mana ni? Kencang.
besok orang ini satu orang.
Kali kan kami kat rumah.
Awak kan betul ya.
Kali kan. Selesai. Dah siap besar. Itu tapi terakhir. Jadi kalau tak boleh.
Mogok ini lah.
Itu sekali tak.
Kaspa jumpa jopi Tukun na yang shu Oi
They transfer the generation and stories through a verbal talk or discussion. With this sin, we display today we got to witness it, and it's a blessing for each and every one of us, I believe, and it will remember for life. Because once I remember, I got a chance to witness one play in St. Anthony's School, that is the story about the Abba, where in one week, a 6 days show, 6 group of people play the same story for 7 days. Each group we got 1 day, one show, and they'll perform. It's very nice, amazing to watch, and thank God that day I got to witness a beautiful scene, beautiful play, and the performance who performed on it, they really did a good job. And today we got to witness it here. This is just a starting. And through this, I believe most of our youth, they will get a chance and a platform to perform themselves. There's a saying, they used to say, Baro Pripustat, Manu Mala Ande, Laklin Plikala, Kundo Like Unclaim. Looking at our performer, we can say that they just need a platform. They can act like an actor. They can do anything. You have the capacity. You are capable of doing it. But it's just that we need a platform. This morning, I've got a chance to discuss with one elder, the Secretary of Clear West, where we had one discussion about the shop, because I got the opportunity to be a part of one shop inauguration this morning. So he mentioned like this: it's really sad to see that our own people, they don't get a chance, or maybe they don't it's very difficult to understand that why they don't open their own shop. No buyers. I would just like to share here. He mentioned that most of the big shop has been run by the non-tribals. We do respect them, but we would love to see our own people also have a platform, have a own shop, and then so that they can run the livelihood. Then I told him, it might be, I'm not sure, but it might be a reason that some of them, they want to open a shop, but they don't have money. And those who have money might be, they don't know where to get those material so that they can sell in the market. But looking at this present generation, the beauty is that through online platform, we have seen many of our youth start to open their own shop, beauty parlor, hair cutting shop, barber shop, and many. This kind of opportunity has just started in our region, in our state. So looking forward that our youth will really utilize the platform you got, especially in your life.
College, where this very prestigious program is held today by the principal of Byndihati College. I've always been here. I think the students are seeing my face time and again because I have a close affinity maybe with father and all the fraternity of this college, which goes deep in my heart with appreciation and grace that every time the program is held in this college, I'm part of this program. And it is a great opportunity for me because of the programs that are held in this college so that I can resonate and also I can learn and also coordinate with all the learnings that I have from this college, especially from my dear students who have always been part of this college, and I have seen the greatest feats that the students have been able to achieve through this college.